All right, everybody, we're going to be doing a hopefully pretty quick O2 sensor delete install here. For the O2 sensor, my new pipe that I got doesn't have an O2 sensor, so I don't need it anymore. So we're going to install this O2 sensor eliminator. If you have bought in the EJK, this did come with the EJK kit. If you haven't gotten the EJK, there is a place you can get this O2 sensor eliminator. I believe it's called Smart Moto. I'll try to get both of those links in the description for the EJK kit and just this. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start by taking the 8mm and removing both these side plastics as well as the seat, and we'll check it out. All right, and we got both side plastics off here, and this bolt right here, and there's also going to be another bolt right here with that little strap over the seat if you got it, just an 8mm. All right, and now we got this seat off here. And while we're down here also, I got the KDX Snorkel, which is a little less restricted on the airflow here, so I'll try to leave that part number, or I guess here it is right here. That should be the part number for that. I think I just got it from like Partzilla or RevZilla. So we're gonna pop this guy out, hopefully, see if he just comes right out. All right, so you can see that goes into there, and check out the difference here between these two. So there you can kind of see just how much more restricted it looks like this one was than this guy. So gonna be installing that. Hard to record here, but kind of just stuffing this thing down in there. All right, and your O2 sensor does plug in or screw into the exhaust right here. I am going to leave that for now because I am going to be removing the whole exhaust here soon. So I'm gonna leave that for now until I unscrew the exhaust, and then I can, it's kind of in a weird spot right now to unscrew it, so I'll get it in a little better position to unscrew it when the time comes. All right, so I did confirm, it looks like it is this guy right here. All right, there was a little tab right here that I held down, and then it wiggled right out here, so I'm gonna leave this exposed for now, and then once I get to taking this exhaust off, like probably maybe tonight or tomorrow, who knows, I'll completely rip that wire out, obviously. But here we have the O2 sensor plug-in and the new one, so it looks like it's gonna go in just like this. Let's see here. All right, and just slid it back in there. So we do have the O2 sensor delete. Let's make sure she'll still fire and everything with no check engine lights. Woo! Started it without the airbox lid on it, and that sounds so much different right away without that huge restriction. Gives it like more of a grunt for sure. But so that less restricted airbox cover should be really good. But as you can see, no check engine lights or anything of the sort. So we're good on that part, and now all we'll have to do is get this airbox cover on. All right, so I ended up just popping this whole lid off to make it a little easier to work with, hopefully. It was just 4 10mm right here. All right, so it's gonna go in like so, and it's gonna take some forcing. All right. Gets easier once it's in there. You just gotta get it seated. Yeah, kind of just pull it back, and now it's all nice and tight on there with a really good seal. All right, we got the KDX air filter now all in there good. So that is gonna do it for this part of the video. I am going to be swapping out my exhaust here actually in a moment, so I'm gonna make that a separate video though. So I will be taking care of this O2 sensor. I'm just gonna take it right out as soon as I can take the exhaust off and get a better angle with a wrench to get that sensor out. But be sure to subscribe for that. That'll be the next video on my channel. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one.